Hi everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how Forever Subli-Flex 202 can bring the vivid customization of sublimation to light and dark cotton garments. Forever Subli-Flex 202 brings sublimation on cotton with a unique twist. While it's a print and cut material designed for sublimation printer kits, the print quality which Subli-Flex 202 provides is actually comparable to that of eco-solvent kits. This means that your images will appear extremely smooth and vibrant, with the transfer itself being as robust as heat transfer vinyl when washed over time. This makes Sawgrass printer kits with Subli-Jet UHD more resourceful, giving them the ability to create rich sublimation transfers for polyester, polyblend, polycoated, and now cotton, denim, and leather items. In order to print onto Subli-Flex 202 with the Sawgrass SG500 and SG1000 printers, you'll first need to enable the Forever Edition on Sawgrass Print Manager. Launch SPM, then click on its taskbar icon and navigate to Options, Edition, then choose Enable Custom Edition. On the empty box in the Activate Edition window, type Forever, then click Apply. Click OK twice to allow SPM to restart with the Forever Edition enabled. Now you can load sheets of Subli-Flex 202 on the paper tray of your Sawgrass printer. Next up is to import, flip, and trace the image you'd like to print and cut with your vinyl cutter and software. With the image ready, enable the registration mark surrounding it and print it through Sawgrass Print Manager, choosing Subli-Flex No Cut as your paper. Be sure to also uncheck the mirror option, then proceed to print. We should note that with certain cutting software like GCC's Great Cut, you'll need to print with registration marks first before tracing your image. With the transfer printed, cut it with your vinyl cutter, weed it, and your Subli-Flex 202 transfer is ready to be applied. Your heat press will need to be set to 15 seconds at 356 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. Once your machine is ready, place your cotton apparel on the lower platen, then to help smoothen it out, pre-press it for 5 seconds. Next, place the transfer facing down on the apparel, cover it with 10 sheets of copy paper, then press. When the machine is done, open it and remove all the paper sheets. Carefully bring the apparel out for the transfer to completely cool down. Once cooled, remove the transfer's protective film and give the apparel another press for 30 seconds. Be sure to cover the transfer with parchment paper prior to pressing. And once your machine finishes the second press, your Subli-Flex 202 transfer has now been applied with a matte texture. To achieve a glossy texture with this material, you'll simply need to reduce the cooling time of your transfer to only a few seconds, then press it again with the protective sheet intact for the full 30 seconds. Once this is done, take the apparel out for it to cool completely, then remove the protective sheet for a nice glossy Subli-Flex 202 transfer. We should note that Subli-Flex 202's matte texture is not a true matte finish, though it does smoothen the transfer out with a matte-like texture. To learn more about Forever, Sawgrass, and other heat transfer products, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.